And we are back with putting up the Luffy deck and taking a look at it. Let's see. We'll open this one first, just like the last one. Make sure I scooch everything down so that I'm not accidentally cutting anything important. There we go. Get the cards out. Monkey-D. Dragon. That's Luffy's dad. Kid and Killer. Oh, sorry if that's spoilers. I'll put a spoiler alert. Sanji, my boy, they did him dirty in the Big Mama arc. Frankie, Gum Gum, UFO. Interesting. So we're gonna flip these around because I totally forgot to do that. There we go. Now they're all in order. I'm gonna slide them on in there. Point that scissors away from me so I don't accidentally stab myself. Then we're gonna open this bad boy up. If I can get this said bad boy open. There we go. Alright, alright. Ooh, he looks so cool. Look at him. Alright. Monkey.D.Luffy. Alright, we're gonna flip these over like this, like we did last time, so that they're all in the correct order. The first straw hat. Monkey.D.Luffy. Oh, shoot. Oh, Usopp. You know, that's some funny. Usopp is actually one of my favorite characters. Sniper King. Actually, I think he might be my favorite. Him and Brooks. And then I do like Nami a lot. Not like that. I like her, like, weather abilities. They're really cool. Oh, Tony Choppa. Choppa Papa. He's cute. If I had to go in order, it would be Usopp, Chopper, Brooks. No. Usopp, Chopper, and Nami are tied for second, and then Brooks. And then Sanji. Oh no. Sanji and Luffy are tied. And then Robin and Frankie. No offense, Frankie, but I don't really like Frankie. Not my cup of tea. That says a lot, because I usually like mechanical, like engineer type people. Roro. Nami. Is that Frankie disguised as Nami? That is. I think that's Frankie disguised as Nami. He's just got like a Nami thing on his head. Sanji. Robin. My favorite scene was Robin yelling that she didn't want to die in the One Piece pirates burning the government flag. Probably one of my favorite moments. Nami. Divine Disruptor. Let's get this actually like in frame. Sorry. Tony Choppa. That's Sanji. What? I'm confused. That's Sanji. Did Sanji and him switch brains for some point in time? Roanoa. Nami again. Usopp. Roanoa, Nami, Cola. Make sure those are all straight. Tony Choppa, Sanji, Nico Robin, Tony Choppa, Monkey.D.Luffy, Nami again. Usopp, Sniper King. Roanoa. Nami. Cola. Tony Chopper. Sanji. Robin. I think it's literally just the same. Tony. Yeah, I think it's literally just the same, just over and over and over and over and over and over and over. Yeah, it is the same thing. Just on repeat. Let's see if there's any new ones. Oh, there's a new one. Gum Mole Pistol. And then it's just all these ones. Alright. Oh, that was close. I almost dropped it. Alright. Put that away. These will not fit if you put them in sleeves, by the way. Like, they fit perfectly without the sleeves. So imagine them with the sleeves. Alright. That was Luffy, you guys. Bye.